In this brief tutorial, you'll learn how to use the library's article database. This is one of the library's largest multidisciplinary databases, and it is great to use for a variety of subject areas, including business, health and medical, language and literature, social sciences, education, science and technology, performing and visual arts, history, religion, and philosophy. It contains peer-reviewed articles, newspapers, and so much more. On the library homepage, uvu.edu/library, you will see the articles database, where you can enter your search terms into the search box, or click on Advanced Search. For our demonstration, we'll use the Advanced Search option. It defaults to using "and" between the search terms, but you can change this to meet your research needs. If you need a refresher on how to select the best search terms, please watch the Search Terms Part 1 tutorial. Let's search for college student, and success, and study habits. Using "and" ensures the results have all three sets of search terms, and the quotation marks around college student and study habits mean the result will include sources with the full phrase instead of results with the individual words college, student, study, and habits. If you're searching on a mobile device, please note that some of these options may look a little different, but all of the same functions are available. In the first search box, we'll type the phrase college student, with both words enclosed in the quotation marks. In the next search box, we'll type our second search term, success, and we'll add a new search box by clicking on the plus sign with the label, Add a Row. In this box, we'll add the phrase study habit. From here, you can use filters to limit your results to items found in peer-reviewed scholarly academic journals. To do this, click on the peer-reviewed box and then click Search. Now you can see your first list of results, and the filters are now on the left side of the page. You can continue to narrow your results by publication date and enter a specific date range or select a decade. For example, if you only want the most current information, you could select the last 12 months. At this point, if you have a ton of results and you need to narrow it further, there's also a subject filter that you can use to narrow your search by subtopic. To review an article, click on the title. This opens a page that allows you to read the abstract and the full text of the article. If you prefer to read it in PDF format, click on Download PDF. This database, like many others, provides buttons that allow you to cite, download, or email the article. To see the email option, click on the All Options button. You can also use the Copy URL button to get a link to access the article later. Remember, the articles database is just one of many databases that you have access to. On the Databases page, you will see many other databases and can filter them to specific disciplines or subjects. For more assistance with research or navigating the library's databases, just ask a librarian. We're happy to help.